Welcome to Kigali-Engineers-College.
It's caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire.
So, I am in the phase of testing the gas linkage. You see, this is the manifold, this is the gauge. That show in our manifold there is gas and high pressure. You see, it is in the 7 bar and some point something. So this is the van, this is the regulator. You see the gas from the bottle through the regulator to the pipe and to our manifold. So you see, I am just using the soap testing. See. To check if there is some linkage of the gas. You see the oil is where it's clear. Even if on this the gauge it's okay. And also here. Even if the everywhere you worked, you just test if there is linkage, you see. It's good.